So Java operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. For example, plus operator, let's make them comment and let's continue from the top. And let's write here integer x is equal to 100 plus 50, and plus operator is used to add together two values. So if we print out x, we'll see of course 150. And what other arithmetical operators can be used? Plus, minus, multiplication, subtraction, multiplication, division, modules, increment and decrement. Now let's see them also. So let's write here 25 plus 5, that is 5, 25 minus 5, 25 multiplication star sign by 5, 25 divided by 5, 25 module 3. Module is going to give the division remainder. And also if you write, let's write here x is equal to 5, and we are going to write x plus plus, and we are going to write x value after that x minus minus. X is equal to 5, x will be increased by 1 and it's going to be 6, decreased by 1, it's going to be 5 again. So let me see the result. So summation, subtraction, multiplication, division, and it's 1. So 25 is divided by 3, and it's 8 times, and it's 24. 25 minus 24, it's 1. After the increments, it became 6. After the decrement, it became 5. So assignment operators, that is equal sign, is used to assign value to a variable. And also there are some usages, and it's 5 now, for example, and we can write plus equal to 2, for example. So x value will be increased by 2. X was lastly 5, increased by 2, and it's going to be 7. This, it means x is equal to x plus 2. So to the previous value of x will be added 2. It was 5. 5 plus 2, and the new value of x will be assigned to the left side. So x is going to get new value, that is 7. Yes, that is 7. This notation can be used for subtraction, for multiplication, and for division. Comparison operators, they are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than equal to, not equal to. Let's see in an example. We have two numbers, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 6. We can compare them. Let's compare it in a variable. The result will be Boolean. Boolean, let's write result is equal to a is equal to b. And let's see result. So it's false. A and B are compared. If they are equal, and result will be true, but if they are not equal, that's why the result is false. Let's write 5 is equal to 5. If 5 is equal to 5, and that will be, to make it more understandable, we can put here also parentheses, and it's now you see that it's true. So in order to compare two values, we use two equal sign, equal. It's not going to make them equal, it's going to just compare them. Okay, this is equal. If not equal, this is not equal. If they are not equal, then it's going to be true. In this situation, they are equal, and it's going to be false. So false. For example, a is greater than b. If a is greater than b, in this situation it's going to be true. So 7 is greater than 5, so it's going to be true. So greater than or equal to, less than or less than or equal to, these logical operators can be used. And also logical operators can be used logical and logical or and logical not. For example, if you have two values to compare in this situation, for example, let's add one more variable. We can say that if a is greater than b, and we can write in Java and using these signs, a is greater than c. So in this situation, result will be true. If a is greater than b and a is greater than c, so 7 is greater than 5 and 7 is greater than 5, so it's going to be true. This is logical and logical or can be used using these signs. If one of them is true, the result will be true. So 7 is greater than 5, it's enough, it's going to be now true. But if we make, for example, a3, a is not greater than b and a is not greater than c, in this situation it's going to be false. So the logical not, that is exclamation mark. For example, if I write here exclamation mark a is equal to b, so in this situation a is equal to b, 3 is equal to 5, no, false. False not will be true. Yes, we have true.